and welcome to Alt 1. So we had an amazing live session today trading 3 strategies, and yes, a lot did happen. We are trading Bollinger Band together with Stochastic. We are trading 7 moving average with trend, and we're trading support resistance. Before I get to the results, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, like this video, and yes, make sure you join the broker so you can copy my trades, you can follow me and trade together with me. You find a link below the video for this broker, and also if you use that link, make sure you use the promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, and the promo code is basically Alpha 1. So make your first deposit count. Now let's get to the results and how we did. Today Bollinger Band did amazing. I started the day basically with minus $450 with that strategy because I had done terrible till now. But today we did a good winning streak. Let me collect this $30 because that is for the Bollinger Band. Let's collect that $30 extra for that one. I'll put that into the information. Let's put plus $30. So Bollinger Band ended with just minus $86. So I will say next week it's any pairs strategies chance to take the win. So, but yes, till now, yes, Bollinger Band is number 3 still, but did a huge jump upwards. So will be very exciting to see by Friday next week which one will be best. Now the strategy number 2. Moving average 7 today did lose a little. I think we had around $160 before we started today in profit. We ended with $81 profit. So moving average 7, that is a trend following strategy, did lose a little. And of course our winner, the strategy that have done the best for us, did make some extra money. That is support and resistance. This one have now come up to $409 profit. So this is one we get very few trades, but the win rate is so good. So the best strategy today, money-wise, was Bollinger Band actually. Today with Stochastic, that one made the most money today. So, but let's see next week. Will be very good to see next week and very fun for me to be trading. And make sure you join me next week also because we're going to be trading and let's make some money together. I think next week will be amazing. So that, have an amazing day, and yes, make sure you sign up with the broker. You find a link below the video, and let's make some crazy money next week. Have an amazing day.